Today I'm going to be pressure washing the side of our house. Here is a wide view of the side of the house that I want to clean up. And if you see on the right side, I've already started. And if you compare it to the left side, you could see the difference between clean and dirty, and how that machine over there, right here, is going to help me get everything washed down, clean, and ready for springtime. And as I get closer, I just wanted to show you all how grimy it is from all the elements. So definitely these are your before shots. There are many types of pressure washing machines out there. The one that I'll be using is electrical powered, as you can see on the right here, the electrical cord that you're going to hook up to the outlet. And then over here there are two input hose areas that you're going to connect the water hose to right here. And then right here is the pressure hose that's also going to be connected to the wand of the pressure washing machine. And that's where the water comes out from when you pull on this trigger. And then right over here is the tip that is usually interchangeable. And the one that I have on today is a 45-degree one. And the water is going to shoot out either vertical or horizontal, whichever way I want it to shoot out. And after you get everything connected, we shall start. Again, not a professional, learning as we go and using what I have. I almost forgot to tell you that I do have safety glasses on. Protection first, safety first. And also you're going to be getting wet, so make sure you just have on some regular old clothes that you don't want to mess up, okay? So let's get started. I wanted to point out that those wires right there, they're all inactive due to old cable wires, so they're not active, don't worry. But if you're trying to be careful of just watching your electrical outlets and your window panes and caulk and sealing and things, you don't want to go over those things, because then you'll get water leakage. And so just be careful, make your own judgment about your own house. And okay, so yeah. Here we are after a few minutes of pressure washing, and I'm actually going to take you to this little section right here for an up-close look at how it works. And I'm doing this with my left hand, so please bear with me as I record with my right. And what you want to do is just go back and forth, kind of horizontally, you know, sweeping back and forth. This is the best I could do. I even brought out the truck to reach the high points, but I couldn't get up there. What do you think? It'll get there. And there you go. That is pressure washing for the day. I'm going to take a break. I don't know when I'm going to get to finish it all, but I hope you could see that it was worthwhile. Until next time, bye.